Hello everyone, I'm Josh Feinstein. Today I would like to demonstrate to you my React Native mobile application called Splash Royale. So let's load it up. The first thing you'll see is a custom loading screen with my company logo on it. So how to play. Splash Royale is a pool party themed multiplayer first-person shooter that uses your real environment and facial recognition technology. At the bottom you'll see shots remaining and a fire hydrant to reload the water for your water gun. Settings, we have number of hits to win, currently is set to 1. Number of shots is 9. That's how many shots you have before you have to reload. So let's make it a little more challenging. I'm going to increase the number of hits to win to 3. And let's say 4 shots per clip. All right, so now I would like to invite my friend. Let's have a round of applause for Frank. All right, Frank, I challenge you to a Splash Royale. Please press join on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Get ready.
At the end of this countdown, both of our devices are going to connect with sockets, socket IO to the Battle Splash Royale server. And you'll see here, well, first I want to show you that if I just shoot, you'll see in the center a different splash, different colors and different sizes. But now I'm out. It's telling us that we need to reload.
Reload.
So I can hit the fire hydrant. So now at the top you'll see hits to win. I'm going to aim at Frank here.
Hit.
Hit. And if I aim down again, this is not a hit. I have to reload.
Reload.
So, Frank, if you will, can you please shoot me in the face?
Game over.
His device broadcast with socket IO that he's won. The server then tells everyone else that they've lost and renders the you lose screen. Currently, this can handle as many players as you like. The interesting part about developing this was, how do I figure out when a face is in the center of the crosshairs? The crosshairs are rendered in the center of the screen, but everyone's device is a different size. So I rendered an invisible pixel in the center with 100% height and width, centered, justify content, align items center. And then I used on layout to figure out the XY coordinates and set those on local state. Then with the face recognition, it was actually quite easy because it's handled by the phone. I'm given the XY coordinates of the upper left-hand bound of the box drawn around someone's face. Depending on how far or near someone's face is, the size of the box around their face will change. So all I needed to do is figure out if the X coordinate was below the center line vertically, and if the X coordinate plus the width of their head was above the center coordinate, and then the same for the height. If the Y coordinate of the top of their head was above the horizontal plane, and then the height of the Y coordinate of their head plus the size of their head was below that line, I knew that the area drawn by that box was over the center of the phone. I would like to challenge each and every one of you to a battle on Splash Royale. Thank you very much.